Hello everyone! Cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, autonomous driving, and 5G are fueling strong growth in advanced packaging within the semiconductor industry. In response to the trend toward miniaturization and high integration, advanced packaging technologies are evolving faster than ever. These include IC packaging and electronic potting, which use solid and liquid encapsulation materials to protect delicate chips and electronic components. In semiconductor packaging and wafer fabs, common pain points arise during the IC packaging and electronic encapsulation. To address these challenges, Moldex3D offers a wide range of solutions to help semiconductor and IC design engineers accurately simulate and validate complex manufacturing processes. Leveraging deep insights from molding simulation, Moldex3D empowers semiconductor packaging technology with innovation power, process optimization, automation upgrades, and quality stability. We look forward to partnering with you to lead the transformative journey of next-generation advanced packaging.